Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to start a little red cherry tomato seed from seed. So you're going to start it from seed, you're going to grow it into a sprout, and then be able to plant it outdoors in your garden. So here we go, we've got the little red cherry tomatoes here, and if you flip it over, you've got all kinds of different information to follow. So we've got days to germinate, 15 to 20. Depth to sow, 1/4 inch. Seed spacing, 1/2 inch. Row spacing, 3 feet. Days to harvest, 55 to 60 days. And then here you've got a nice map of where you're located and when to put it outside. So for example, if you live in Minnesota and there's still snow on the ground in April, you're not going to want to put it outside in April. However, it says zone 4, which is all that yellow stuff. So Minnesota, North Dakota, maybe you live in Wyoming or Wisconsin, whatever, or Maine. You've got May to June, so you'd probably put it outside like mid to end of May. That means if it's days to germinate 15 to 20, you want to plant this inside about 20 days before you're going to put it outside. So you would start it probably a month before you plan to put it outside. So if you're going to put it outside May 20th, start it on April 20th. Or maybe even a little sooner. Maybe you start it on April 15th, tax day. Whatever the case may be. So when you get started, you're going to need a little cup. Now, for the purposes of this video, I'm only planting 1 seed. However, you can plant more. You could use an egg carton or something else like that to plant multiple seeds. So we're going to put some soil in this cup, just like that. Pack it down, and there we go. Now we're going to take the seed, put it inside the cup. So be careful here. Like I said, I want 1 seed. Okay, there we go. There's my seed. Put it inside the center. Now, remember our spacing is 1/2 inch. This cup is about 2 inches across. So we could try to get like 2 in there, but they'd be too crowded because it's not enough soil for the root. So here's one that I planted about 30 days ago to the day of this video. And that looks pretty good. And there's only 1 in there. It looks pretty good. There are some here that I have that have more than 1. Like this one was a mistake, accidentally got 2. And it looks okay, but that's a fluke. Others I've had to separate out because there are too many, or one would die, like one killed off the other one. For example, we've got this, 2 are in there, they're dead. So you want to really try to get 1 seed per cup, allow that spacing, and allow it to go. So we've got the seed in there. Now remember, our depth to sow is 1/4 inch. So let's get 1/4 inch of soil on the top. There we are, and then water. Seeds need water in order to germinate. They need to be kept warm and nice and cozy in that bed of soil. So we're going to take some saran wrap, put it over the top with a rubber band to keep it down. This is creating a greenhouse effect. Pop a couple holes in there to let it breathe, and then 15 to 20 days, we should start seeing it come up and grow. As soon as it gets too crowded for the top of the saran wrap, we'll remove the saran wrap and let it grow. So that is it. That is how to start your very own little red cherry tomato plant, or any other type of cherry tomato plant, from seed. Remember to follow the directions on the back of the seed packet and continue on your way. I really hope you liked this video, and if so, would you like and share it to help others as well? And also consider subscribing to the channel to stay tuned to future videos.